Hello, people. I match 43, not match
Hi
43 at
guys.
Dubai. Kings 11 Punjab taking on Hyderabad. And these are two contenders, unlike CSK, which is already out. I'm sorry to say that, people. But Kings 11 Punjab has really found some momentum. एक अचानक से उनको surge मिला है. In fact, I was reading, we didn't realize this, that the last three matches that they've won have been against the top three, right? They've defeated Mumbai Indians,
Mumbai Indians,
Delhi Capitals, and
Delhi
RCB.
Capitals. Yes.
So that is some form that they are coming into this match with, and it is definitely one can see that Gale coming in has provided them with a lot of firepower in batting. I think it has also freed
Yes.
up KL Rahul to bat a little more aggressively. So
I think
they
also it's the confidence Gale brings in, right? When you have a name like Gale on your squad, on your team 11, right? All the other players who are batting feel more confident, like
absolutely,
while batting.
ये तो कर ही लेगा, ये तो कर ही.
absolutely,
It's like
absolutely.
it's salary like
And I
that.
think
The stress of performing is gone
Yeah.
down, and like everybody is just expressing themselves.
also I think एक और बहुत important selection, I think Dipankar may want to comment on that, is Deepak Hooda. I mean, Deepak Hooda is a guy who can still control the innings if you've got a top order collapse. Kings 11 obviously haven't had a collapse of sorts in the batting department, but I think Deepak Hooda provides that finishing touch if it's needed. He can control the innings. What do you think, Dipankar?
No, absolutely. I see. He's an experienced. He's played so many IPLs. He's a consistent domestic performer. So I think that experience, helps him to handle the situation well.
Yeah.
Where he may not just come and close his eyes and go bang bang, right?
Yeah.
But he can clear the boundary easily.
He can clear the boundary, exactly. And
So
I
it's a
think
little bit of assurance for the team when you have such guys.
absolutely, absolutely. So they've got great balance also. I think they've got Jimmy Neesham now. So Kings 11 is looking fabulous. I can't say the same about Sunrisers Hyderabad. They have problems. Rohan, as you may know, I think and you're from Hyderabad, so I'm assuming you're supporting your team today. But they've been struggling a little bit. They've been struggling. All right. Anyway, guys,
But the last match was in favor of Hyderabad when Kings 11 and
when these two played.
SRH. Yeah, so
When these
I
two
think
played.
that will I think Kings 11 will be coming in as underdogs in this match. So
yeah. Plus, also SRH will be buoyed by the fact that Manish Pandey played so well in the last match.
So well,
despite
he's also
them
gonna come
losing
back.
Warner.
I think
Best,
this will be a very close match because
Should
I
be a
think
close match.
both teams openers are performing really well.
Yeah,
Even
yeah.
Johnny Bairstow, David Warner are in full throttle. If you see the past matches, they've given a good start to the team. So I hope they will carry on like this also.
No, we are all hoping for a great match. Vivek, you've been quiet, I know, and we don't want you to be quiet. So I'll start the first question with you. All right. So this question, the first question is, what will the team that wins the toss decide to do, bat or bowl? Now, this question had become redundant in the middle part of the IPL when every team which was winning the toss was batting. And this was in stark contrast to what had happened earlier when every team that won the toss was chasing. But now it's become very interesting. You've seen both kinds of things. The pitches are slowing down, but dew also plays a factor. If dew is there, then, at the end. So what do you think? What's your pick? What will the team do?
Right, as you rightly said, शुरुआत में जब IPL हुआ था, every team was chasing, and then the tides changed, and the team started batting first because the ball was doing a bit in the second innings. But of late, we see a lot of people have started chasing again.
Yeah.
So
I think the dew also has been a factor.
but dew also has played a big factor here because it's October and the weather is also changing, right?
Yeah.
I think the team will bowl first. If they win the toss, they will go with bowling.
Okay.
And they would like to chase. That's what I think.
Okay, ठीक है. Wonderful. Mustafa, क्या लगता है आपको?
I think the same. I think the dew factor is showing up more and more. So definitely, I think whoever, and plus at such a pressure sort of games, right? You want to be chasing. You want to know the total. You want to make smaller goals so that you can achieve that total. So it's always better to have it in your mind. So I think that's why bowling first would be a good option.
Okay, Kriti, क्या लगता है आपको?
Thank you for waiting me to clear my
That's
mouth.
okay. That's all right.
I think, in fact, I agree with Vivek and
Mustafa.
Mustafa
Mustafa.
that it's going to be the chasing team. They're going to chase.
They would
First.
want to chase.
Whoever wins the toss, going to bowl first.
Okay, Rohan.
Yeah, I think I also think the same thing. The team which will win the toss will bowl first, and I think Kingsland is going to bowl first because they have a very strong bowling lineup as compared to SRH, and they will definitely like to give it a run for their money to SRH. Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay. Dipankar, do you agree with these guys, or you have a different opinion?
You don't want the question to go waste, right?
No, that's okay. I mean, I'll want your opinion on this.
I would. I'm thinking like they probably bat first. The pressure of chasing has caught up with many teams. Last 5 overs haven't been as productive due to whatever, right? Wicket or ball getting softer. Still, I think that might be a preferred route. Setting up a total and putting pressure.
Okay, all right. Okay, great. So this is the second question. I'll start with you, Dipankar. We're talking about some really explosive batters in this match. And so what do you think will be this? Who will score at a higher strike rate, assuming minimum of 20 runs? All right. So you've got Chris Gale, you've got Nicholas Pooran, and you've got Johnny Bairstow. All of these guys bat in the top 4, so they'll get enough chance to bat. Who do you think will score at a higher strike rate?
I would pick Gale.
Okay, all right.
I know off late he is a little bit cautious. He tries to play himself in, choose the right balls. But I think he has got 2-3 matches, or maybe more. I don't know. I don't remember under his belt already.
He's got 3 matches. Yeah.
3 matches,
Right.
all the 3 that Kings have won.
Correct. So I think he'll be better today in terms of strike rate, and when he's in flow, then no one else comes closer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Strike rate at least. Yeah.
Sure. All right. Vivek, आप किसकी तरफ आप म्यूट पे हैं? Yeah.
I will go with Puran.
As performed, right?
Yeah, I
Amazing
have
form.
reasons to it. See, Gale has been good, but Sunrisers Hyderabad, known for bowling prowess, Gale will be cautious. Bairstow has the ability. I think he has better ability than Puran. But Warner, the way he is, Bairstow has become very cautious in this season, right? Because Warner is not flying.
Not playing.
So I think Nicholas Pooran will play fearlessly in case he gets a chance, which at times becomes difficult considering the form Lokesh, Rahul, and Gale are in. But if Pooran gets a chance, I think he'll be better than any of these guys.
I think he's the highest 6 hitter in the tournament already. He's hit 22 sixes.
Yeah.
So
I think 200 plus strike rate already.
200 plus strike rate. So
Yeah.
it's like is in stunning form. Mustafa,
Stunning.
do you agree with Vivek or Dipankar, or what do you think?
I agree with Vivek. I think the last match also, the way he finished that innings, he could have taken them all the way, but that aggression that he has in him, right? Doesn't matter what the situation is, if he should be going slowly or not, he doesn't care about any of that. He is going to slog and he is going to hit the ball very far. And plus, thing is, he's a good slogger and he's also a good, genuine cricketer. He can drive the ball on the offside and the leg side both. So I feel like Pooran is a good choice.
Mm-hmm.
That doesn't mean that Gale and other guys are not going to perform. I feel just strike rate wise, Pooran is going to exceed them.
Okay.
And Mustafa brought in a very good point. I think he's a genuine cricketer with some great cricketing shots.
Yes.
He's very good.
It's really good. I mean, one
Really
to
good.
look for the future. In fact, I think a couple of seasons back when we were looking at Sai Hope as the Windies wicket keeper, and he's very consistent, Sai Hope, but he's not as aggressive as Nicholas Pooran, and Pooran's also a wicket keeper,
Definitely.
right? And that's the first time when you caught sight of this guy, and it's so amazing with the bat. It was really aggressive. So something about Nicholas Pooran that we all like. And we've not forgotten his fielding effort, people. So we've not forgotten that. All right, Kriti, before you take the next bite, the next question is for you. What do you think?
Thank you. Thank you for that. All right. So, in in usual on an average day, I would have actually gone with Chris Gayle.
Okay, the universe
But
boss.
today yes, exactly. But today I'm going to go with Vivek and Mustafa because yes, Nicholas Puran has been very consistent. And sorry, Gail uncle, मेरी उम्मीदों पे खरे नहीं उतर रहे for some reason.
He's been doing okay, just that. Yeah, all right.
Don't call him uncle.
It's 41. So, yeah, anyway.
Not meeting my expectations, if you know what I mean.
Okay. Rohan, what do you
Yeah,
think?
I think I agree with all of them. Puran is the obvious choice because the amount of form he is in the last few matches, he is just like an outstanding player and a good find by Kings 11 Punjab, by the way.
Okay.
And I think Kings 11 Punjab will be looking at him in the future as well for giving the stability to the batting he's
Sure.
making in. So I think Nicholas Puran is the obvious choice.
Oh, clearly they're going to retain him for sure.
Yeah,
That is very clear. But I'll tell you what, you guys are going against Dipankar in these two questions, and that is not easy to do. And that is something that you may pay for. Dipankar has been the outlier in the two questions. So anyway, I'll start the third question with you, Rohan.
Yeah.
आखिरी के 5 ओवर की बात करते हैं. दोनों ही टीम के पास अच्छे hitters हैं at the end, but both, I mean, in a way, it's the top order which has performed. SRH is a little more top heavy. What do you think, how many runs will be scored in the final 5 overs of the first innings?
Okay.
Up to 50, 50 to 60 or 60 plus? What do you think?
I think 50 to 60 would be an obvious choice because I just looked at the stats of the Dubai Cricket Stadium. I think average first inning score was around 144 to 150. So I think if that is the score, then I think the amount of batting depth both teams have, I think 50 to 60 would be the conservative side for me.
But that's you're being conservative. That's what.
Yeah, I'm being conservative for 50 to 60. Yeah.
Dipankar.
I hope it's 60 plus. I mean, it's that we see some entertainment. Right? Although I'm contradicting a little bit myself on when it's a chasing. When it comes to chasing, but still I would like to. So just a second. This question was for the team batting first.
Batting first, yeah.
Batting first, right? Okay, then it's fine, right? 60 plus. Yeah.
Okay, Vivek.
60 plus. Can't settle for anything less than that. So I agree with Dipankar here. I mean, it's entertainment. Come on.
We want some
to
runs,
see
man.
Yeah,
exactly.
We want
we
some.
Can't have a 80 plus and 110 plus kind of a total. The batting team, then the chasing team has it too easy. We don't want that. We want a cracker of a match. So I agree with you.
Great team. Both of them are great teams, great batters. So 60 plus.
And Puran in such a form, right? Like you said, and in the middle order. So likely for Kings 11 more. And if Warner, Bears, Pandey, any of those, one of those even stay till the end, right?
Even Manish Pandey, don't forget.
That's what I said. Warner,
he's been sublime this season.
Yeah. So
Manish Pandey, Ishan Kishan, I mean, they have been sublime this season.
Ishan Kishan, my God,
amazed.
But we cannot underestimate the bowling of each opponents because they have world-class bowlers still. So I think they will also try and contain the same because. I think if you talk about Kings 11 Punjab, they have Mohammad Shami, which is a top class bowler again.
Yeah.
I think that they will also be like not.
No, of course. I think Mohammad Shami has become a big factor at the death.
Yeah.
No question about that. But yeah, I think for the sake of entertainment, let's just.
Yeah.
Plus is what these guys say. But I don't know if Mustafa agrees. Mustafa, what do you think?
I think 60 plus is going to be a little more ambitious. I think. With the pitches slowing down a little bit, it wouldn't be very, very easy to go 60 plus. I think 50 to 60 is what I would say. 50 to 60.
Okay. And so you guys are not taking into account the kind of match we had yesterday or the match that KKR had with us?
No, we don't want to see
because
any such match.
Kriti can still go for up to 50. That's still an option. Kriti, what do you think?
I see up to 50 अगर है तो फिर मैच नहीं खेले तो बेटर है मतलब फिर नहीं खेलना चाहिए फिर अपने घर पे बैठ के जैसे हम लोग स्कूल में खेलते थे डेस्क पे इरेजर और पेंसिल से वैसे कर लेना चाहिए
all right, so what is your pick?
Yes, I would say, I really hope it's more than 60. I really hope it's more than 60.
All right.
But at the same time, I agree with Mustafa as well, since the pitches are slowing down now. It could be between 50 to 60 as well. But for the sake of entertainment and for the sake of high hopes, 60 plus.
60 plus. All right. Okay. The next
See, my
question.
dog also has an opinion.
Well, all of us have, so why not him? Question 4, we'll start with you, Kriti. Spinners की बात करते हैं. We're talking about the 3, really good quality spinners. Of course, Rashid Khan, you've got, Murugan Ashwin, and you've got Ravi Bishnoi. Who do you think will pick up most number of wickets today amongst these 3?
I really think Ashwin.
Okay, all right.
And I can't explain myself because I'm sitting in the living room.
That's okay. Rohan.
I think Ravi Bishnoi. Because the thing is, he's one of the leading wicket takers in the IPL as well, and I think pitches are more in favor of leg spinners or spinners as a matter of fact, and I think Bishnoi would be an obvious choice for him.
All right. Okay, Dipankar.
I would go with Bishnoi as well. I hope that he would have done better than what he has already done.
Okay.
He's one for the future for sure, right?
Yeah.
So I want him to come good this game and take more wickets.
Okay.
I think the team will look to attack him because at times he has leaked runs, not every time, but at times he has. So they might want to target him more than they will want to target Rashid Khan. So that's another.
Okay. So because people will want to play out Rashid Khan more cautiously.
Correct.
Okay. All right. Vivek, on to you.
So I want Punjab to win, right? Okay. So I don't want Rashid Khan to perform, to be very honest, right? So for me, either it has to be Ravi or Murugan Ashwin. But I'll go with Ashwin. I don't know why, but my gut says that Ashwin will do good today.
Okay, he's a very good bowler. He's very classical.
He's a very, very classic bowler.
Classical bowler.
I'm going against Dipankar. I'm taking a risk, I know.
Yeah.
But
as I said, right, my sports 20 predictions are always most of them.
Well, you know what? Mustafa has suggested this already. I've mentioned this on one of my videos that we are going to, evaluate all you guys. So don't worry about that.
Sentimentals, sentimentals.
It doesn't
sentimentals
matter.
Against analyst, right? So Dipankar is an analyst on the panel. We are all sentimentals,
You're the senties,
right?
Okay, all right.
Exactly. अरे नाम ही sports senti है, तो senti tips तो होंगे ही ना.
Okay, Mustafa.
So I think this is obviously whoever loses this match may not qualify for the playoffs, right? So it's going to be a high tempo match. Obviously, the next 4 matches for both the teams are going to be such matches. But starting from today, I feel like Rashid Khan is a player who shows up at big matches. I understand that people are going to try to play him off, but that is the problem. Mm-hmm. When you try playing off Rashid Khan, when you try to go back foot, when you try to defend him, that is when he gets to you. Okay. So I feel like Rashid Khan could more wickets today.
When I was creating this question and when I was setting the options, I never thought I have to come down to the last question to get that option of Rashid Khan. To be honest, I thought a lot of you will pick that option, but kudos to you. I mean, and kudos to me as well. I'm patting myself on the back. I picked the options and all 3 options got selected. So yeah, kudos to me. All right, Mustafa, the 5th question, I'll start with you.
Yeah, sure.
25 plus individual scores. We're back to that question. How many 25 plus individual scores will we see today across both the teams? You've got up to 5, option 1, then 6 to 8 or 8 plus. What do you think?
This is such a difficult question. Right? It depends on how many wickets fall and how many players come in, go out. 25 plus or 20 plus scores?
Sorry, 25.
25 plus scores. Okay, I'm gonna go with 6 to 8. I think that's gonna be the conservative choice, considering the top 4 of each of the sides at least get into some form. If not, at least 4 from each side would score a 20 plus score. But I'm a little scared at the same time because it might be that, like, somebody like Kings 11, right? Their top 3 might just score the most amount of runs and might win the match from there onwards itself.
Mhm.
While SRH might have to rely on everybody to contribute a little bit, come up with a big score. So
Mhm.
it's a little. I'm not sure about the answer, but I'm going to go with 6-8.
6-8. All right, Kriti, what are you going with?
I'm going to go with 6 to 8 as well.
Okay,
Yeah, that makes sense.
makes sense for you. Rohan, what makes sense for you?
I think 6 to 8 makes sense for me as well, because it will be, I think, unjust if we're keeping the option up to 6, because the amount of form both teams are in. I think at least such like amount of form Mayank Agarwal and KL Rahul and Johnny Bairstow, David Warner are in. At least I think these four will at least try and score up to 20, 25 plus, and two can be from like both of the teams. So I think 6 to 8 is the obvious choice.
Okay, I may surprise you with what has happened so far. I'll give you that stat. Dipankar.
I feel like up to 6 is going to be the more favorable choice.
Well said.
Now that I think about it, I feel like up to 6.
Dipankar, what do you think?
First choice is up to 5, right?
Up to 5.
Sorry, yeah, up to
I'll
5.
go with up to 5, and there's a reason for it. See, individually, there are a lot of players who are very good, capable players, but I'm hoping, the top order fires more. The middle order doesn't have to really, bat. And in these games, right, I mean, I feel that either players will do very well or they will not reach even 25.
Okay.
That is the reason. I'm just going up to 5, and I hope the top order fires.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. So you going for up to 5, Vivek?
See, I mean, 6 to 8 looks pretty safe, right? And co-panelists have also said the same. And everybody is among runs. Okay, Vijay Shankar, Abdul Samad, everybody has fired, right? It's not that. I mean, both are great teams, but I think I'll go a little aggressive here. I'll go with Dipankar, up to 5.
Up to 5. So I think, in a way, if you see the top orders of both the teams, top orders performed exceedingly well. I mean, Johnny Bairstow, David Warner, not so much this season as last season, but Kings 11 definitely Mayank and KL Rahul, also Chris Gale. So which means that any of these guys fire, if they exceed 30, 35, they are going to make a big score, which is going to be 70, 75, which means the other batters, their roles change. Somebody like a Nicholas Pooran may be out there for 5 deliveries, make 15 or 20, a quick fire 15, 20. Same with Abdul Samad. Similar with, I don't know, Vijay Shankar will bat or not if it comes to that, if the top order is fired for SRH. So, that is also a consideration. And one important stat that I would want to give to you guys is, the more consistent number, for these two teams in the previous matches has been 4 or 5. They have exceeded 5 on a few occasions, but generally the number has been, 4 or 5. They've been 7 also, but generally the number. Anyway, the last question, and this is the first time we're asking this question. So why don't we ask Vivek? We'll start with you, Vivek. So listen to this question very carefully. Which all-rounder is likely to score 20 plus runs and in bowling either take a wicket or go at an economy of less than 7.5, assuming minimum 2 overs bowled? You've got 3 options. And Glenn Maxwell is an option. Vijay Shankar, who performed very well. In fact, you've got 4 options here. I'm giving you more options here. Glenn Maxwell, Vijay Shankar, Abdul Samad, and either of Jimmy Neesham or Chris Jordan, whoever gets to play. What do you think?
Maxwell.
Obvious choice?
He started seeing the ball. So he started hitting. He's bowled well. 7.5. Really well. Yeah, he's bowled really well, controlled the runs. He's also taken wickets.
Yes.
He's more likely to bat among all of these guys. Okay. So for me, Glenn Maxwell. I will go with him. And I want Punjab to win, so it has to be a Kings 11 Punjab player.
Kings 11 Punjab show. All right, Mustafa, who are you going with?
I'm going to go with same Glenn Maxwell, because I know he will at least bowl 2 overs, since again he's a spinner. Pitches favor spinners more, so the captains also want to bowl more of the spinners out there. And Glenn Maxwell, I think he comes down 4 or 5, so there are higher possibilities of him batting rather than any other of those players. And yeah, but the question is definitely tough because Glenn Maxwell can go for runs, so that economy rate of under 7.5 is.
So, but he can take a
difficult
wicket.
to
So either he takes a wicket or he goes for an economy rate. It doesn't have to be both. If you
Okay.
go for 8,
In that case, I
8.5,
think
but he takes a
Maxwell,
wicket.
I think, should be the preferable choice.
Okay, all right, Kriti. You agree with these two gentlemen?
I do.
You agree?
I do. You saw me. I think you saw me nodding.
All right. So Glenn Maxwell, it is for you as well. Okay, Rohan.
I think it will be Abdul Samad. I think the chances which has been given to him, he has I think performed really well on those chances.
Okay.
And I think in one of the matches I watched, he played a good role along with David Warner. So I think Abdul Samad will be a choice for me to like. He can be a good player, good all rounder rather. Sorry.
Indeed, I think the thing is he's a spinner who bowls.
Yeah.
And he's performed well at the end. Whenever he's batted at the end, it's really, I mean, with the bat, he's been more consistent as compared to the ball. So, yeah, it's a good choice. I mean, and I'm patting myself on the back. At least somebody picked up another player than Glenn Maxwell. Dipankar, who are you picking?
Stuff. Maxwell or Shankar? See, simple reason, right? Samad is less likely to pick a wicket or go less than 7.5.
Yeah.
I think if you combine both, Vijay Shankar has more chances with the ball, and he has proven that. Maxwell has greater chances with the bat because he'll get to bat. So it's really tricky, you know, both.
I agree. Vijay Shankar and Maxwell, very tricky.
Yeah, if Vijay Shankar would get to bat, likely it's Vijay Shankar.
Okay.
But I want Maxwell to perform, as Vivek said, because I'm supporting
KXIP.
So let's go with Maxwell. You know,
Okay.
I hope Maxwell proves everyone wrong, strikes form at the right time.
Yeah.
If Kings 11 are to qualify and win, and if Maxwell performs, their chances go up.
Go up substantially.
Already, right?
Substantially. I think two key players already for Kings 11 have been Mohammad Shami, coming back to form, death over bowling form.
Exactly.
I mean, and secondly, Chris Gayle, the inclusion of Chris Gayle. I mean, that because Nicholas Pooran, Rahul, and Mayank were playing well. I mean, from the beginning, it was somewhere in middle that they were not firing. But with these two guys, it's a critical thing. So maybe if Glenn Maxwell comes back to form, then
like I think if you want to qualify for playoffs, your top players need to perform at the right juncture. Otherwise, there are very bleak chances that any given day you will be like just washed away by any team. So I think
that's true. I really think if Maxwell performs, then this Punjab team will be a very, very tough team to beat, even for the likes of Mumbai Indians and Delhi Capitals.
Yeah. Punjab was always a very tough team.
Very strong team, yeah.
Lost 2 to 3 matches which they shouldn't have.
Yeah.
Like they are one couple of matches, very tight situation.
Yeah.
But Punjab was in a better position in those than they were. And they would have won at least one, at least one. They would still have fancied themselves without that much pressure, right? They were always a dangerous team. With Shami back in form, Arshdeep is a very good support.
Arshdeep is a very good bowler. Amazing.
Very good bowler. Yeah, definitely.
I think they are really coming together. I really like Punjab's chances. Honestly, I like their chances in the top 4 more.
I think Glenn Maxwell is the only one who has not performed
with the bat. And he started coming back into form in the last match. We saw that.
Yeah. So, and like we know that the only reason he's in the team is because of these big performances, right? You want such players, even if they perform in 2 games, but they win those 2 games.
You'll win 2 matches. Exactly.
Basically, that's their goal, right?
Agreed.
So I think today should be Glenn Maxwell.
All right, people. I know your choices. I know some of you are getting late. So very quickly, I'll wrap this up. I want you to raise your hands. I will ask you who do you think will win? And I want you to raise your hands, immediately. I'm not going to go to you one by one. All right. Who of you think that SRH will win today? Oh, that's a Hyderabadi. I can spot that. Of course, he's based in Hyderabad. So how can he not? All right. So we've got 4 KXIP supporters. May the best team win, people. And all right. Thank you so much, experts. It was lovely having you. Lovely having you predict. And people out there, go predict on Play CKC. It is more fun than fantasy. Thank you.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks for having us.
Okay,
yeah.
Bye.
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 Bye.